Hello! Last time we received an order to assemble roller skates from the customer's components. We recorded the materials received from the customer and created an order for processing of these materials. Today we are going to learn more about production from the customer's materials. We'll also record the output using the production order and perform such operations as return of materials to the material provider, product handover to the material provider, reporting to the material provider, and recording work output all in place. We'll also have a look at the reports related to production from materials supplied by the customer. To produce 1 unit of roller skates, we need to set roller boots to 1 pair, set roller wheels to 8 pieces, and set assembly labor costs to 0.1 hour. Let's start with product output. Last time we created a production order. Let's now create a bill of resources to produce roller skates. Go to the Main tab. Set description to roller skates. Set products to roller skates and quantity to 1 pair. Now go to the Materials and Works tab. Set the quantity of roller boots to 1 pair. Set method of receiving materials to provide on packing basis. Set costing item to main materials. Set the quantity of roller wheels to 8 pieces. Set method of receiving materials to provide on packing basis. Set costing item to main materials. Next, proceed to the Labor Cost tab. Set assembly to 0.1 hour. Set costing item to payroll. Go to the Manufacturing Process tab. Set manufacturing to single stage. Click the production stage hyperlink and set department to workshop 1. Set status to valid. Save and close. And go to production order. Select just created bill of resources in the order. Post and close. Go to Manufacturing, into Shop Management, Order Queue Management. Generate the production stages for our production order. Now let's open the production stage we created and set assignee to installers and status to completed. Great! Now post and close. The production stage hasn't been completed. Let's fix it. Open our material provider order. Next, adjust the assignment material provider order in the Materials for Production tab, and then select the assignment stage we created. Great! Now post and close. OK, now open the Supply from Material Provider document. Go to the Materials tab and click Fill in. Select Goods against the order. Next, click Move to Document. Post and close. Do the same for the second document, Supply from Material Provider. These actions help us correct the assignment according to our production stage. Let's now go back to our production stage and post it with completed status. Good job! We manufactured the products for the material provider. Now we're going to record them as received at the finished products warehouse. To do this, we'll create a document named Transfer to Material Provider. Open our Material Provider order. Set status to For Shipment. And post the document. Go to the Release Products tab. In Actions column, select Ship on Packing Basis. Now that we have a shipment order, we can prepare the documents for product transfer. To do this, go to Sales, Receipt for Tolling, Documents to Register, and open the Product Transfer tab. As you can see, we now have a document to record shipment to the material provider. Please note that we can ship finished products in batches if necessary. Click Register by Orders to post the document. Click Post and Close. Now we are going to record a document named Report to Material Provider. To do this, go to the Report tab. As you can see, we now have a report here. Click Register. It describes services for processing raw materials and outputting the products. The report contains the detailed list of materials that were used to manufacture the products. Click Post and Close. Let's go back to our material provider's order. Set the status to Closed. Open the report and set Warehouse to Workshop 1 Storeroom. Now you can see the receipt and consumption of roller skates, roller boots, and roller wheels. Great! Let's move on to recording the return of materials to provider. Let's assume the customer canceled the order after supplying the materials, and we now need to return them. Create another material provider order with exactly the same parameters as before, and record the receipt of materials. When you are done, create a document named Return of Raw Materials to Material Provider based on this order. As you can see, the materials are filled in automatically. Click Post and Close. Great! All operations with the material provider are now recorded. Now let's take a look at what reports we can use for operations with material provider. Finding material provider reports is easy. Just go to Sales, Sales Reports, and look at Processing Raw Materials of Material Provider. Two reports are listed here: Control of Materials Delivery by Material Provider and Control of Product Transfer to Material Provider. We can use these reports to control the receipt of materials from material providers and shipment of products to them. Now generate the reports. All you need to do is set the current period and click Run Report. Today we looked into production from customers' materials and recorded the entire workflow from the material provider's order to the report to material provider. Next time we'll take a look at the opposite situation when we provide materials to another company for manufacturing.